In this activity, you created a new Google account. You chose a username that is unique to you, and you created a strong password that will keep your account secure. You also learned how to navigate to your account page and the apps available within your Google account. In the following activities, you will use Google Search, Google Docs, and Gmail to help you plan activities with your friend. These tools are useful for your personal and professional life. There are many ways to use your Google account outside of this unit, including job hunting, building a resume, and applying for a job, creating a presentation for a work or community function, communicating with friends or family members about an upcoming event, and storing your photos on the internet. All of these options are available to you through your Google account. And because everything you do with your account is stored on the internet, the information is available on any computer or device you might use to access your account. If you are using a public computer and are done working for the day, sign out of your Google account. And close all browser tabs in Windows so no one else can access your account information. Otherwise, move on to the next activity to learn how to use Google Docs to record ideas for activities to do with your friend.